Yesterday was overcast, had occasional showers. So why was it still a great day to fly yesterday? Got that coming up? So Bill, you said it was overcast and you were having occasional showers yesterday, and obviously being in the Tampa area, it's humid as well too. So why was it a great day to fly? Well, I'll tell you why it was a great day to fly. I had a chance to fly with one of my favorite drone content creators, OriginalDobo, yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and in the card, definitely you wanna check out this video. You don't wanna miss it. It was great. I can't tell you how much fun I had with Ken. He's absolutely fantastic to be with, to be around. His knowledge is off the charts. I'm looking forward to getting together with Ken at least one minimum of once a month so we can get together and fly like we did yesterday. Now yesterday, he told me, I believe he told me, he's never flown over where the Sunshine Skyway Bridge is, and it's one of the great attractions in the Tampa Bay area. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and roll my segment of flying over the Sunshine Skyway Bridge, and I'm telling you, it is definitely stunning. Take a look. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll the segment of my landing. Now landings usually aren't that remarkable, but there are a couple of things I want you guys to take note. So let's go, I'm going to go ahead and roll that segment right now. can see there's a couple of items of note here. Actually, was a tree that definitely was uprooted by a storm, and it's completely on its side, and it's basically what was behind me was the bottom of the tree. Now over to the left of that, you'll probably notice on the beach was a giant grouper that was on the beach. Obviously there was some low tide there and it washed up on shore, and we were fortunate we were downwind because actually it was quite smelly yesterday. But again, I can't tell you how much fun I had flying with Ken yesterday. It was a blast. Valerie was there. She enjoyed herself as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed the aerials. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and it's a great day to fly.